Hey, in front of me is SONY Xperia 10.3 and today I would like to show you how you can block notifications from chosen apps on this device. Firstly, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then select Configure Notifications, scroll down and tap on See All from last 7 days. Now pick one of your apps, like Google, and click on the switcher next to it. All notifications from Google are now blocked. If you wish to turn them back on, just click at the same switcher. You can also click on one of your apps and manage notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!